Welcome to the Elite Brand Mastery Momentum Program, the ultimate solution for high-end brands and enterprises seeking to dominate their market. Starting at $18,000 setup and $3,000 plus per month, this program offers transformative strategies, cutting-edge tools, and measurable results to help your business thrive. The Elite Brand Mastery Momentum Program is designed for businesses ready to lead their industries. With tailored solutions and a focus on sustainable growth, it ensures you stay ahead in an ever-changing market. Effective lead generation is crucial for growth. This program helps you acquire high-value leads, craft personalized email campaigns, and optimize follow-ups to ensure no opportunity is missed. Your reputation is your brand's backbone. We help you collect feedback, analyze trends, and proactively manage your brand's perception to foster trust and loyalty. Streamline your customer interactions with optimized scheduling tools that ensure smooth operations and enhance customer satisfaction. Engage your audience with compelling content. From tailored social media posts to data-driven newsletters, we keep your brand top of mind for customers. Operational efficiency is key to scaling. With custom dashboards and automated onboarding, you'll stay ahead while optimizing your internal processes. Reach your ideal audience with expertly managed ad campaigns. From strategy to optimization, we ensure your advertising budget delivers measurable results. Data drives decisions. With detailed reports and quarterly reviews, we provide the insights you need to refine strategies and achieve sustainable growth. Take the first step toward transforming your brand. With the Elite Brand Mastery Momentum Program, you gain access to unmatched tools and strategies to dominate your market. Book your consultation today.